Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP BW interview question and answers for freshers. What is SAP BW BI? What is the purpose of SAP BW BI? Answer: SAP BW BI stands for Business Information Warehouse, also known as Business Intelligence. For many business data reporting, analysis and interpretation of business data is very circular for running business smoothly and making decision. SAP BWBI manages the data and enables to reach quickly and in line with the market. It enables the user to analyze data from operative SAP applications as known as from other business. In SAP BWBI, what are the main areas and activities? Answer: Data warehouse, integrating, collecting and managing entire company's data. Analyzing and planning, using the data stored in data warehouse. Reporting, BI provides the tools for reporting in web browsers, Excel, etc. Broadcast publishing, to send the information to the employees using emails, fax, etc. Performance of the company. Security, securing the access like using SAP login tickets from portal. What is data integrity? Data integrity is to eliminate duplication enters in the database. What is table partition? Table partition is done to manage the huge data to improve the efficiency of the application. The partition is based on Kalman and Figure. There are two types of partitioning that is done: database partitioning, logical partitioning. What is data flow in BWBI? Data flows for a transnational system to the analytical system. BW. DS. Data service on the transnational system needs to be replicated on BW side and attached to info source and update rules respectively. What is operational data store? Answer: Operational data store or ODS. It used for deleting storage of data. It is a BW artificial component that appears between present tense staging area and info cubes. It also business explore reporting. It is primarily used for delayed reporting rather than denominational analysis, and it is not based on the star sigma. Operational data store objects do not aggregate data as InfoCubes do. To load the data into an IDS objects, new records and inserted executing records and update or old records are deleted as specified by recommode value. What is an InfoCubes? InfoCubes is structured at the star Simha and it is a data storage area. To create an InfoCubes, you require one fact table surrounded by 4 dimensions. The fact table is surrounded by different dim table which are linked with DIM IDs, and as per the data you will have aggregated data in the cubes. How many tables does InfoCube contains? Answer: InfoCube contains 2 table: fact table and dynamical table. Mention what are the minimum number of dimensions in InfoCubes. In InfoCubes there are 16 dimensions, 3 SAP defined and 1 customer defined. What is the difference between ODS and InfoCubes? Answer. The difference between ODS and info cubes are ODS has a key while info cubes does not have many keys. ODS contains deleted level data with info cubes contains refined data. Info cubes follows star sigma 16 dimensions while ODS is a flat file structure. They can be two or more ODS under a cube, so cube can contain combined data or data that is derived from other fields in the ODS. SAP BW interview question and answers for experienced. What is the dimension in BW? How would you optimize the dimensions? Answer. A dimension in BW is a collection of refuse information about a measurable event in data warehousing. In this context, events are known as facts. For example, a customer dimensions attributes could include first and last name, gender, birth, date, etc. To optimize the dimensions, do not add most dynamical characters into the same dimension and make the dimension smaller. Also define as many dimensions as possible and the dimension should not exceed 20% of the fact table size. What are info objects? Answer. Characteristics and key figures will be called as info objects. Info objects are similar to fields of the source system, data based on which we organize data in different into producer in BW. What is modeling? Answer. Designing of database is done by using modeling. The design of database depends on the schema and schema is defined as the representation of tables and their relationship. What is extended star schema? Answer. Star schema compares of fact tables and dimensions table, while the table that consists the master data are kept in separate table. These separate tables for the master data are referred as extended star schema. What are the extractors and mention their types? Answer. To extract data from the system program is used which is known as extractor. The types of extractors in BW are application specific BW contain FI, HR, CO, SAP CRM, low clock pit. Customer generated extractors LIS, FI, SL, COPA. Cross application generis extractor DB views infoset function module. What is a fact table? Answer. Fact table is the collection of facts and relations that mean for event keys which the dimension. Actually, fact table holds transactional data. What are the data types for the characteristic info objects? Answer. They are four types: CAR, NUMC, DATS, TIMS. What is the use of the process chain? Answer. The use of the process chain is to automate the data load process. It automates the process like data loads, includes creation, deletion, cube compressions, etc. Process chains are only to load your data. What are the transition codes or T codes for info objects? Answer. The T codes for info cubes are list cube, list viewer of info cubes, list schema, shows info cube schema, RSD cube, RSD cubed, RSD cube me, Start InfoCubes editing. What is the maximum number of key figures and characteristics? The minimum number of keys figures is 233 and characteristics are 248.